Welcome to Regal Nigeria Limited, where we give you information about some agricultural animals. Today we shall talk about sheep rearing and management. Introduction. Sheep belongs to the genus Ovidae. The sheep reared in the tropics have hairs on their body, while those in the temperate regions have wool on their body. Sheep are kept for the production of meat, milk, skin, wool, and manure. Sheep are one of the earliest animals to be domesticated for agricultural purposes. A sheep wool is the most widely used animal fiber and is usually harvested by shearing. Sheep continue to be important for wool and meat today and are also occasionally raised for pets, as dairy animals, or as model organisms for science. Sheep husbandry is practiced throughout the majority of the inhabited world and has been fundamental to many civilizations. In the modern era, Australia, New Zealand, and the Central and Southern South American nations and the British Isles are most closely associated with sheep production. Breeds of sheep. There are two major breeds of sheep in Nigeria: local and exotic breeds. These sheep differ considerably in size, coat color, and other characteristics. All indigenous sheep are hairy and can be broadly grouped into large, long-legged types found in the northern parts of the country and the dwarf types of the Hot. The Balami breed. The breed is named after the tribe Bonu that owns it in large numbers. The breed is mostly predominant in the northeastern part of Nigeria. It is the largest breed of sheep in Nigeria. The Balami is a predominant white and hairy breed with a pronounced convex head and a dull depression. It has a dewlap like fold of skin with white mane. The ear is large and droopy, the tail is long, the horns are prominent in rams and are usually absent in ewes. The Balami is fast growing and attains a weaning weight of 18 kg in 12 weeks. The Oda breed. The breed is also called Fulani after the tribe that has the largest concentration of this breed. The breed occurs throughout the Sahelo-Sudan vegetation zone of Nigeria. It is a large and long-legged breed with a convex facial profile. It has a characteristic coat color pattern, which is entirely brown or black from the forehead interior to the lumbar abdominal grid line, and white prosperity. The ears are long, large, and pendulous. The rams have large, wide, and spiral horns, which are usually absent in the ewes. The breed appears to thrive in hot, dry environments and suffer from poor survival outside this ecological zone. The Neloid breed. The breed is hairy-coated. Mutton breed conforms to the requirements of the arid tropics, in that they are little affected by high ambient temperatures and can make the most of what grazing is available. They are long-legged and measure some 76.2 cm high at the withers. The rams are horned and quite heavily manned. Feeding. Since sheep are raised entirely on roughages, the cost of production will be lower than that of poultry and pigs. Sheep farming, due to its quicker and better returns on investment, provides an additional source of income to farmers who normally depend on crop for their livelihood. Thus, the animal fits in ideally in a mixed farming system. Sheep make excellent use of high-quality roughage, stored either as hay or low-moisture grass legume silage, or occasionally chopped green feed. the body condition of a sheep, the amount and the kind of forage on the range, and the climatic condition all determine the kind and amount of supplements to feed. Supplements usually consist of high protein pellets or cottonseed meal and salt, medium protein pellets, low protein pellets or corn, alfalfa, hay, and minerals. Shearing room. This is a place where sheep are shorn, and hence a shearing room is required only on farms where sheep are kept for wool. This room should be well lit by having large glass windows all around. The floor should be cement paved and surface made smooth. On either side of the shearing room, there shall be 2 simple fence lots where sheep can be collected before and after shearing. Sheep farmers shear their sheep using an electric tool similar to a razor that removes all of the sheep fleece in one piece. A single sheep's annual fleece can weigh over 8 kilos, although most are around 3 to 4 kgs. When done with care, shearing doesn't harm the sheep. Shearing leaves them with a thin, cool coat for the summer months.